making like this.
Bumili ka ng tray, lagayan ng fruits.
Are you excited, Uno? This coming Saturday? Huh?
Yeah. Yes.
Just, are you excited? What's that?
Yeah.
Yuck. So ayun, ito na nga guys. Ito yung mga nabili ko na mga pwedeng ibigay doon sa mga kaedad ni Dos. Yes, bumili ako ng giveaways for kids. Kasi hindi naman na sana talaga ako bibili kasi big naman na si Uno at bumili lang ako ng balls, yang ganyan para sa mga classmate niya na pupunta. So yung mga squishy is may pupunta kasi ng mga kaedad si Dos at kasama din namin sa school kung saan sila nag-aaral. So ngayong araw na to, yung gabing to bago kami matulog, pina-help ko sila na mag-prepare ng mga toys na to kasi excited sila dalawa eh. Super excited sila sa upcoming Saturday na gaganapin. So sabi ko, sige tulungan niyo ako para mas ramdam nila dagdag excitement kung baga. So ayun, nakakatawa lang kasi si Dos, siya yung naglalagay ng mga toys sa loose bag. Pero nagdadalawang isip talaga ako nito kung isasama ko ba talaga yung bag na yan kasi wala, hindi ako masyado naglagay ng candies. Actually, isa lang, tsaka isang lollipop. Bali, dalawa lang. Isang chocolate, tsaka isang lollipop.
Okay, and I do this like big, and I do that.
Meron dito. Move. Ito, tanggalin mo. Ganun lang.
Bumili ka ng tray, lagayan ng fruits.
Sa bilog ko nga ilalagay para parang ano.
Sorry. Sayang yung orange.
Please.
Hindi protektado yung isa kong lasagna. Hindi siya na-pure.
Tapos pagbalik mo, pupunta ako ng action. Hindi lang ako ng ganito isa.
Ito yung mga... Ahap mo ngayon ay. Kasi yan yung kay Bobby.
So ayun guys, dito na kami sa area kung saan magse-celebrate ng birthday si Uno at yes, wala pang tao. Inagahan talaga namin guys kasi playground to at maganda ang weather ngayon. I'm sure maraming magpipiknik ngayon. So yun na nga, isa sa mga reason kung bakit din namin inagahan para makapag-prepare kami since ang handa namin is barbecue. Maayos namin, mailatag namin mabuti yung mga food sa table. Ang usapan kasi namin ay 12 p.m. Kumbaga lunchtime sa atin na mag-start yung simpleng party lang ni Uno. So ngayon, mga oras na to is 9:30. So tamang-tama lang. So talagang sure na namin na kami mauna dun sa gusto naming pwesto. Alin? Yung sa mga luto na yan na barbecue. Ang kagandahan pa guys kasi medyo may mga kulang kami na bit-bit since nag-bike lang kasi kami papunta dito. Merong malapit na mga grocery dito, mga shop. So, kagandahan, mabilis lang tumakbo. Dito na rin kami bumili ng mga inumin kasi since nag-bike lang kami, mabigat yun pag pinitpit namin. Mabigat na nga yung dala namin ng mga barbecue. So, hindi na kami, naisip na namin na dito na kami mamili ng mga drinks. So, ang ganda lang ng weather talaga ngayon. Napakaswerte para sa plano na to kasi totoo lang, gustong gusto talaga ni Uno na mag-invite ng mga friends niya. Kaso, hindi nga namin magawa. Gawa nung lagi na lang nangyayari pag birthday niya is ang pangit ng weather. Pero ngayon talaga sobrang thankful namin kasi ang ganda ng weather na kasama. So guys, ito pala yung nabili ko sa Action na tawag dyan, bubbles. Sobrang mura lang yan. Mga nasa 5 euro lang ata yan. Tapos malaki na siya. Tamang-tama meron kami nakastock sa bahay na pangbala dun sa bubbles. Mura lang din namin nabili, 1 liter. Nasa 99.99 cents lang namin nabili. Here.
Can I have?
Kita muna anak. Not in the food.
Mamaya na ako magbabaga pagbalik ko.
Oo. Ay, andito sa bag ko tayo.
No, bubbles are coming out.
There. You will do like that. You do like that.
Ano strawberry saka grape?
Wait, give me those. Give me those. Wait, me first. Me first. Look at the knife. The knife. Wow, that's now. Now, my turn. Me first. Wait, kuya.
Ikaw muna mag-ball. I-ball mo muna.
Wait lang, those, okay?
Yeah.
Kaya ka-peekaboo! Hey!
Do like this, Dos. Huh? Oo.
So many bubbles.
Don't finish it. Mauubos yan. Wala kayo. Not like this, Dos. The battery will, kapot. Dos ni. That is not for cleaning. That is not. Akin na nga yan.
Dos! Dos! Nanay, look what Dos did!
Bakit?
Bubbles! Everywhere! Stop! Yeah! What Dos do? Wait, you mean everyone? Yeah.
So ayun, habang nag-aayos-ayos kami ni Uno, si Dos naman naglalaro at si tatay umalis lang. Bumili lang siya ng mga drinks at ibang kulang pa. Pero after ni tatay, ako naman ang aalis kasi bibili ako ng cake.
Oh! Better put it here. Dos. Yes. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. Here.
Nagdala pala dito yung isang kaibigan namin sa school ni Dos ng balloons at yung sapin na yan sa na-appreciate ko lang kasi nag-help siya sa amin since kasi malapit yung bahay nila dito. So, super na-appreciate ko. Sobra. Ay, nakakatuwa lang. Tatay mag-ihaw. So, andun sila Uno. Dinala ng friend namin yung balloons na yan, yung green and white. Tapos, yung mga, yung sapin na green na yun, tsaka yung tapos, nagdala din siya ng mga extra mga kutsilyo. Tapos ito yung aming bit-bit. Wait lang. So yun, medyo okay talaga ngayon ang weather. Kaya sakto yung celebration. Advanced celebration ni Uno. So ayun, nagsimula na nga ang party, dumating na yung mga bata at yung iba medyo may kulang pa. So yung iba kumakain na, yung ibang mga bata naglalaro na, yung iba uminom ng wine. Yes po, pwede po ang wine dito at beer, pero bawal po ang hard dito sa park, basta hindi ka lang naman din magwawala. So ito pala yung mga friends ni Uno, nagsidatingan na. Very very close friend niya lang ang in-invite namin. Hindi na kami nag-invite ng mga classmates niya kasi hindi naman lahat niya kasundo ng todo. Okay.
Oh. The candles are out. Newen. Newen. We're gonna sing. It's your chance to shine.
Kailan ba, Mike?
Yes, that is Otis' favorite song, huh?
Ah, okay.
Yes, look.
But maybe it's better if you stay there.
No, it's not your birthday. Yeah. Now ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now, dance.
Gloria. Hip hip. Yay! Thank you.
What's that?
That's Kuya's gift.
Can you borrow this?
No, wait. I'm trying.
Ano ba ito puro?
Hi, it's time to open the gift.
And
First,
now sleeping. Me.
okay.
Me.
First, what's that?
I want the big one.
Let's see.
I want one.
This one first. This one first.
But where's the side?
Yeah, which one? From
What's
Ate?
inside?
Ate Lara.
Thank you, Lara. What's inside? What's inside? What's Lara?
I don't know.
What's inside?
Pink. Sige na, open na.
So what's inside?
Gusto Kuya. Kuya.
Wow, what's
Oh my gosh, I have a drone! I have a drone!
Wow!
I have a drone! Drone! And it's outside a drone. Relax.
Wow. Ay, oh no, this one.
Is it a drone?
No, we're going to build it and
like a gravity. Oh, I
but
thought
it's harder than the
I
other
can
one.
read this.
Just
It looks like a
listen to those.
What's this?
So, Ate Lara.
For Ate Lara, thank you.
Yeah,
I know it's something amazing.
I can read this. Whoa, what's that, Kuya?
Wow!
Oh my gosh!
Color.
Color!
It's for me.
Sige, ano.
It's good for me.
Mamaya.
No, it's for Kuya, anak. But Kuya can share with you, okay?
Oh, this is like all around the world.
And it's for me.
Hey!
Don't keep it there, anak. Just
This is from Benjamin.
Oh, thank you, Benjamin. Oh my god, this is so cool.
Oh my, here's a people.
You see?
Me,
Netherite. It's the netherite.
me first. Me. That's like my car.
For me.
That's like leaves.
Okay.
What about
next.
this one?
Okay, that one. You see. Check it.
I will open this. You
Just
open
name
this.
it.
Can you share this when I open this?
Sa'yo yung galing.
Oh, this is Lego.
from?
Lego.
I think from now.
Yeah, from now.
Same.
Wow.
Same. The last.
I didn't see the name of it now.
Yeah, I think it's from now.
Can we open the others?
Yeah, of course.
Why?
From,
I see what this is about.
From
Lily.
Lily. Can you see? Oh.
It's like my
Ito yung
Lego.
ngiti mo kaysa sa ano. Matibay
Okay,
yung
what's the
ngiti mo sa
others?
Lego.
Sorry.
There's a message. Can you read the message?
Message.
There, inside the paper box. That one. It's Lily's message.
Oh.
Ba't ibang ngiti mo dun sa libro kaysa sa Lego?
I wish you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Can you all those pictures? Where we read it?
I want to do this.
You read it. Read it.
Boss.
Let Kuya read those.
Boss.
Wait,
Wait.
wait. Daan. Here. I want to hear.
Like this mo muna para marinig yan.
Dear Uno, I wish you lots of happiness and luck for your 11th birthday. Love, Lily.
I'll wait to this one to read
Okay, keep it, keep it.
No, something.
Yung sinabing love lily. So, namumulat din yung sitago, namumulat.
Okay, next.
Give me the paper bag. That one. All the paper bag. No, that one. Yung hindi yung kapot.
This fly is dead.
That's, there.
No, that one. The other one.
This one, Nana. I see something.
Kay tita, ano mo yan?
Okay, that
Sige na.
one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's broken, but
Wow. Can you open it? Open the lid.
I always
Sana daw kasha.
Sorry, it's okay to open this.
Tomorrow na.
Wow.
Tomorrow.
Kasha.
I have a
May
hoodie.
Minecraft pala sa
Not tomorrow.
sa Sarah.
Not tomorrow. Can I show to everyone?
Yeah.
Kay tita Lisa mo. Kay Skyla.
Okay, Calvin.
Yeah, I knew it.
Wow.
Oh,
It's
wow,
nice.
it's nice.
Should we wear it tomorrow?
Huh?
Should we like?
The other one.
Yeah, the other
The
one.
other
What
one.
is the other one?
That's two.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
The loop.
It's nice.
What about this one?
Okay, that's
From Tita Debbie.
Debbie.
Oh, thank you, Tita. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh,
Wow,
nice.
spider. Oh, at least may cup ka na, no?
Yeah, it doesn't fit, but I think.
Which can I adjust it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Tita Debbie. The
That
last
one is to Selena.
Selena.
Can you read it?
Happy birthday, Kuya Uno, Selena.
Okay, open it.
Chocolate!
Wow, it's lekker. It's my favorite.
We got cloves. This time it's cloves. It's cool.
Wow.
This thing.
Are we gonna eat
It's
this?
nice. No, it's
Yeah.
not big.
Are we gonna eat this?
Thank you,
Are we gonna eat
everyone.
this?
Ganda.
Ganda.
Are we gonna
Nice,
eat
nice.
Can I
this?
eat this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you going to say?
Meron pa, meron pa.
Yes.
Meron pa.
Melon?
This one.
Melon.
This
one.
Melon.
From
Give
Bobby.
your Tita Vanessa.
They're
Oh
going
my
to say.
gosh, serpent stone.
Yeah.
Yeah, show it. Yeah.
Give it to me.
Wait, what's
This one
that? Those
from Bobby.
Bobby.
You
Show
read
it.
what inside.
From Bobby.
It's not
No,
open.
you don't open that one.
It says that we have to open it. There's like something inside. It's like a book.
No, it's not.
Oh, happy. It's a
Kindle.
card. Okay, and then
Hey!
there's more. Intertoys card.
Intertoys card.
Oh, you can buy that.
Yeah,
You can-
20 euro.
Okay.
Wow.
This one. Oh, this one is
there's
a
a cake.
special one.
Kuya,
From your
what's
Omi.
cake?
Omi.
Thank you,
Fuck
Omi,
cake.
Opi, Tita Neng, and Tita Beng.
Thank you.
Open
I
it.
want chocolate.
Yeah, you can eat the chocolates.
Can I have the chocolate too?
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
Hard to
really
look. Gefeliciteerd. I got money.
Wow, it's
got
10
€10.
euro.
Dear Uno and my love.
Chocolate.
My love.
bars.
Happy birthday. Nog een fijne dag. Birthdag. I cannot read it properly.
Yeah, it's okay.
Chocolate.
Birthday, lots of love. Omi, Opi.
Oh, thank you.
Lekker.
Oh, Tita, Bang, Julius. It's so cool.
Okay, thank you everything.
Thank you, everyone.
Give me the card.